Oh, there's no music once again. Let's do that. Actually, let's zoom out just a little bit. Oh, we're cooking. Oh, we're fucking cooking. Oh, we're cooking, boys. We're fucking cooking. Where the fuck the music go? Turn that shit back on. Is this hype? This isn't hype. We need something absolutely fucking dire hype. Okay, we got it. We got it. That's what I'm talking about, boys. That's what we're talking about. Okay, I think we're good. We're cooking. A little hiccup though. Oh, we're cooking, boys. We're fucking cooking. Holy shit. We're cooking. This is actually insane. Wait, one more. Yeah. And then... Bam, bam. Alright. One more. I need proof. Hold up. I didn't let you see it. How you boys doing? How you boys doing? I hope you brothers are doing absolutely exquisite. Hold on. Let's get a little more personal, you know? Let's get a little more personal. Yeah. No need to be so... there we go. I hope you boys are having a good fucking time, yeah? I hope you boys are having a good fucking time. This doesn't make any sense. These stats don't make any sense. It is saying that there's total of 6 views, but there's 8 people here. That's okay. That's okay. You know, that's okay, boys. Oh, here's the mic. I'll probably turn that down a little bit. Okay, boys. We have a little quick snippet. Dude. I woke up at 9 o'clock this morning, right? So that our Indian audience could be here not at 4 in the morning. You know what I mean? I was like, okay, we need to wake up earlier. So we'll wake up earlier. But as you know, we smashed our other keyboard. So we had to go and grab this. This was at my mother's house, right? We shipped it from... I was going to burp, but that didn't happen. Wait. Okay, that burp's not coming out. Well, okay, that was not satisfying. Point is, I went over to my mother's house, right, to grab a box. 4.5 hours of slave labor later. 4.5 hours of slave labor later. And we are here right now. We would have started this stream 4.5 hours ago. But that's okay. You know why that's okay? It's because that's our family. We love them, and we're grateful that we have a family. Not everyone does. So, slave labor, you know, it comes with the family, you know? Okay, my boys. Slave labor. It's moving boxes and furniture and a bunch of other, you know, whenever you go to your family's house and they're just like, oh yeah, by the way, we have 10,000 things for you to do. Yeah, that's what they kind of done that. But that's besides the point. That's besides the point. What is the point? The point is, we're going to learn so much Python, we're not going to know what to do with ourselves. You understand what I'm saying? We're going to be so smart. You know what I'm saying? You guys know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying, boys. Okay. Python is life. Exactly. Python is C++. It is divine. Actually, speaking of Python, here's what we're going to do. We're going to start a poll. And, of course, there's only one proper answer to this question. But it is still a question. Okay. Python. Un momento, por favor. That means hold on for you Indian folk. Or, is that? There's only one correct answer. Well, I'm going to get some grub and stream lol. Love y'all. Jake, have a great stream. Thank you, brother. Also, I nominate Fracture as my mod buddy for real. Massive W. Hey, I saw that you guys did a little purge of the Discord. Please elaborate upon, inside of, I guess, DMs, elaborate just a little bit upon whom and why. I trust your judgment 100%. I don't even care if you say that you could have told me that they were giving good advice, and I'd tell you, oh, they gotta go. Your guys' opinions they become gospel once they, you know, float up to the bubbles of your consciousness. Like once they enter here for you guys, it's gospel. Okay. I just inhaled caffeine into my lungs. That felt great. The purge, it was in my guild. I see. Okay, boys. Python. Okay. Here's what we need to do, right? Oh, well, we need to do this. All right, here's what we need to do. Oh, we need to basically, hold up, we need a little bit of background music going on. You know what I'm saying? Just a little bit of background music. Just a little bit, just something to quench the nerves, you know. Just a little bit. This is not gonna stay. But, what's up, my boy? Hey, we got so many OGs already in chat. This is so great. This is so great. You know, like this is so nice. Hey, I hope you boys are doing absolutely swell. Every single one. Oh, you guys can see. Yeah, I hope every single one of you boys are doing swell. Thank you for stopping by. We appreciate it very much. Sincerely, it's the best thing in the fucking world. Whenever I see all, like, look at this shit. We ain't even been streaming 10 minutes, and look at this shit, dude. I appreciate you boys, sincerely. But yeah, there is something we must, not doing Python. Oh no, we're doing Python for sure. But there's something we must discuss. It's very important. And it goes with kind of a lot of things, right? Hold up, this music is not where it's at. We're gonna slow down a little bit. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking, right? lately, I've been doom scrolling my balls off. My balls off. I want you guys, we're going to actually look at my YouTube history real quick, all right? We're going to go and look at my YouTube history. I pray that there's nothing too bad in there. Okay, but we got to do that. We have to do that, okay? You guys need to hold me accountable. Let's go look at my YouTube history real quick. Let's go like this. I want to show you guys the extent of my inability to control myself when it comes to YouTube shorts. Let's go over here. I pray there's nothing bad in here. I don't think there's is. There might be crazy thumbnails, but take the thumbnails with a grain of salt. You know what I'm saying? Let's go over here. Okay, we're looking good so far. We're looking good. Yeah, it could be a lot worse. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. Okay. So, I want you to look at this. This is this morning. This right here is this shit's this morning. You know what I'm saying? Oh, let me go like this. Let me move this so I can see you guys. Oh, jeez. Oh, live chat. Shit. Thank you. Goddamn. Thank you, boys. Once again, I appreciate you, boys. Thank you. You saving my fucking ass again. Saving my ass again, dude. Yeah, that was almost bad. Okay. Of course I watched Whistle and Basil. Okay, boys, but we need to look at this. We need to be serious for a second. We need to kind of lock the fuck in. How much of your time have you pissed away, absolutely just thrown away, disregarded to this endless doom scroll right here? How many hours? Tell me in chat. If you could, if you are the type of person that doom scrolls, how many like hours average on day? Is it 1? For me, I'm gonna type in chat. For me, on average, $3.5 hours. 3.5 hours. 11 hours, Jesus Christ. That's insane. We need to be honest with ourselves, boys. This shit is sucking our time away. And it's gone. We're not getting anything from it. We are not getting a single thing from it. It's like normally, you know, whenever you're consuming content, right? Whenever you're like watching a nice chill video, it's not bad. It's not a bad thing to like watch a really chill video. This was productive time right here. This was productive time. You know what I mean? But whenever it comes to this, it's not even loading at all. It's not even loading at all. You know what I'm saying? It's not even loading at all. Let's go to yesterday. It's not even loading at all. It's not even loading at all. That's how bad it is. It literally just gets to a point where it just stops. It just stops. What am I trying to get at here? What am I trying to get at? What am I trying to get at? What I'm trying to say basically is that you are what you spend your time on. That is what you are. You know, if you are in the coal mines mining coal, you're a coal miner. If you're spending your time programming, you're a programmer. If you're spending your time gooning all day, you're a gooner. You know what I'm saying? It's simple logic, right? But here's the issue. When you spend your time endlessly, where's the next YouTube short? Endlessly scrolling. It's not even loading at all. It's not even gonna load at all. Again and again and again and again and again. You become a scroller. You become a scroller, okay? A doom scroller. This isn't like a good use of time. It's actively lowering our attention span. It's actively deteriorating our ability to be bored. What happens when you're in the middle of a intense programming session, right? You're in the middle of an intense programming session. You're sitting here, you're looking at your code, you're like, oh my gosh, this is really fucking boring. I want to do anything else. But for the past 5 hours of your life, you've been scrolling mindlessly. You know what your brain's gonna do? Minecraft! Gooning! it's gonna want to do anything else. It's gonna want to do anything else. So basically, why am I yapping about this? I think that it's about. See you, my boy, Sir Omni-Man. I hope you have a divine rest of your time. Thank you. I appreciate you for stopping by. What I'm trying to say, my boys, is that if we are trying to steal our time back, because remember, this is hours a day. If you want to become an expert at something, spend 30 minutes of your day doing it for 2 years. You become an expert, at least a pretty well off person, right? Imagine if you replace that time with not scrolling. Okay. The people in this chat are not redeemable. That's okay. They don't have to be. That's okay, my friend. But I guess what I'm trying to say is, I think we're gonna have a section. I think I'm gonna create a section in the Discord that's gonna hold people accountable to, like, every single day we were gonna, like, publish the amount of, like, time that we've been scrolling. At least I'm going to. I don't know about you guys. If you guys have been, you know, mindlessly wasting your time on scrolling as well, well then you can join in it. And the goal is to just get your scrolling time down, right? But it sucks, because once you're done scrolling and you've been sitting there and you're just numbing your brain from scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, you don't want to do fucking anything. Like, life is just not worth living. It's not. You know what I mean? You're just like there, you're like, you know what I mean? Okay, this this music is for chill. We're trying to have serious talk. Let's go like this. What's a dope one? This is pretty chill. This is dope. This is a good one. Is this a playlist? Yeah, mix right here. Un momento, boys. Un momento. I am overseeing the problem of the world shoving in my face. Wait, I am overseeing the problem. Exactly, dude. It's whenever you wake up and you have just constant news feed and just like, oh, the world's ending. Oh, the world's ending. Oh, the world's ending. You don't want to program. You don't want to sit there and read a book. This is why scrolling is such a disgusting habit. And look, dude, this is just from one day. Look at all this wasted time right here. Look at all. We're gonna scroll down here. Look at all of this wasted time. Wasted time. Look at that. So inside that Discord, we're gonna create a new thing. If you want to hold yourself accountable to the amount of time that you're scrolling mindlessly, just publish the amount of time that you were there. Oh, what's up, Christian? I hope you're having a good one. Christian, by the way, off topic, I know. We'll get back to scrolling, but Christian, by the way, your stream yesterday was fucking fire. I mean, it was divine. It was divinity in its purest form. It was such a good stream. I mean, genuinely, it was an amazing stream. Multiple subscribers you got. It lasted like what, 6 hours, going on 7, I think, or it was 5 going on 6. I don't know, dude. I felt really good about it too, dude. It was a good fucking stream, dude. Like, I tuned in, like, and you were yapping so passionately, and you were going to town, you're getting work done, dude. It was your best stream, dude. I don't doubt that at all. I literally don't even doubt that at all. It was good. Congratulations, dude. 1,000+ viewers, like, nah. It was a good stream. It was enjoyable. It was really damn enjoyable. Yeah, Christian, thanks. You're inspiring me, dude. You're making me want to get this number up so bad. Like, you make me want to get that fucking number up right here so bad. You know, I look at I go over here and I look at your thing, and I'm like, seeing it grow day after day after day after day, and like, look at this, 1.9 thousand views, dude. How many? Look. 6 hours? cooking, boys. Hey, if you boys are here and you also are looking for another person that does live programming, this is the embodiment of not only testosterone, but just sheer will. Look at this. 6-hour-long stream of just locking the fuck in. It was insane. It was insane, I gotta say. Alright, the glazing will come to we'll slow down. Still, check out his channel, guys. It was divinity. Okay. Where are we? What is this? Okay, this is gonna go over here for music. Okay. Let's go like this. Oh, no. No. Oh, this is a good one. Okay. Well, boys, I hope that you're having a good time. We are going to lock the fuck in like Christian did yesterday. And we're going to do some programming, okay? What we need to do, what Christian did really well, is have AI or an artificial, have something curate a program for us to test ourselves. You know what I'm saying? We need to test ourselves, and we're not doing that too much. We're not implementing what it is we're learning. We're just going over here. We're doing our little test things, right? Going over here to bookmarks. Let's go like this. Go like this. No, don't use ChatGPT. I don't think we're gonna use ChatGPT. Where the hell is it? Oh, this is the next thing that we're on. But yeah, point is, we need to be able to test ourselves. You know what I'm saying, boys? We need to be able to test ourselves, and we're not doing that right now. So that's what we need to do. We need to do that. Because if we're gonna learn like Sir Christian is, then we need to lock the fuck in and do that. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I appreciate you boys for being here. Sincerely, it's been a blast. The fact that like so many of you guys pop in so quickly, it means a lot to me. Sincerely, like it's so great whenever you have such a like amazing community behind you. Like, you guys are the best. Thank you. Okay, boys. Honestly, I might have to rely on chat for this, guys. I might have to rely on chat. What are your guys' opinions? Where should we go? What AI should we use to curate a test for me to test what I've learned so far? What should we do? What should we use? All right, we're gonna like this. Let's go like this. Ooh, I think we just found some sick playlist actually. Okay, let's go with this. Dude, there's enough caffeine into me right now to kill a cow. Oh, that's peak. That's good. I like this. I don't know why. It's not distracting. Claude? Okay. Claude. Let's see. Let's try it because like I've been told by too many people now to not use ChatGPT. Hey, Sir Christian, what AI software do you use to curate your specialized tests in order to test you and your knowledge? Which one do you use? Because you seem to be like whenever you're doing it, it seems really engaging. And that's kind of what we're looking for. So, you use Gemini? Okay. Gemini. Gemini. Yeah. We actually might have a thing for Gemini. Gemini. Let's go here. Yeah. Can you turn mic up? We can. So here's the thing: is like sometimes I get really damn close, and the unfortunate way, yeah, and I get really damn close, and it spikes the volume to Kingdom Come. Let's see. Bro is so vague, I think. So you can ask it things about your YouTube. Really? Shit. Gemini is cool because it also has all your YouTube data. That's insane. That's insane. Christian over here doing God's work. Christian over here doing God's work. I appreciate it, Christian. Thank you. Okay, we're gonna go like this. Dude, okay, running a model on the PC microwave is a good idea, but there's one downside. I'm a retard. I don't know how to do that yet, but one day we'll get there. We'll get there one day. Okay, boys, let's go like this. You can't hear me? What is my YT history as AI? I don't. You count in your private data, so I can't see what videos you've been watching. Can I make my data unprivate? That would be kind of cool. I kind of want to do that, just so that you guys can see everything I'm doing. You should go with ChatGPT for programming a small program thingy instead of Gemini. Gemini is worse at programming. Interesting. We can't hear you. Okay, I'm gonna turn it up just a little bit. Why not? Make sure you turn up your volume too, just in case. Okay. Let's try it out real quick. Okay, let's see what. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pause the music, and then this is the wonderful thing. I'm slow as fuck at typing, but we live in the 21st century, and I can ask an AI assistant using my voice to curate a personalized test. Watch this. Oh, so we're on Tupples. Okay. While allow wait while. There we go. So like that. Okay, Clanka, I have a request from you for you. I need you to curate a personalized test for me to test my Python skills. Okay, you understand what I'm saying, Clanka? I need you to curate something that tests my Python skills using all of the information in W3 schools up until the Python tuples category. Okay, I don't want you to add any extra fluff. Okay, ChatGPT is a fucking autistic robot. I have high expectations for you right now. I have very high expectations for you right now, you clanker. Okay, okay, you got this. I hope, I pray, don't falter, because if you do, dude, Lord have mercy on us all. Lord have mercy on us all. We are banking the entire financial system on your ability to perform right now. And if you can't, then bad things will happen. Okay, bad things will happen. Perform well. Perform well. Okay, you got this. I believe in you. Hopefully that'll hold her off, okay? Alright? Let's see what she does. Let's see what she does, huh? Let's cook. Here goes 100 cups of water. Fucking W comment. Okay. Oh, you know what I should have added? I should have added project style. I should have added project style. That would have been a lot more. Yeah, it just made a quiz. It just made a fucking quiz. Oh, it's done. It's okay, Gemini. I hear you. Now the real fucking question is, can I perform? That's the real question. Can I perform? Okay, actually, we're gonna zoom in on this to where it's a little bit more readable for y'all. Oh, okay, ladies and gentlemen, what you are looking at right now, this buffoonery. This is ChatGPT. No, not ChatGPT. That was a mistake. That is not correct. This is Gemini. We have just had it curate a Python-based quiz for us based on what we've learned in W3 schools thus far. Let's see how she does. A little sip of the silly. Divine. Okay. In Python, which of the following correct ways to create a variable and assign the integer value 5 to what? In Python, which of the following is the correct way to create a variable and assign the integer value 5? Oh, this is fucking simple. What? This is too simple. We might need to ask it to be a little more complicated. Okay, let's go with this. Variable. I guess that. So the following correct ways to create a variable, okay, and assign it an integer value. This. Correct. Okay, that's good to know. It automatically, that there's no second guessing it. Next. Okay. Which method can be used to remove any white space from both of the beginnings and ends of the... Oh, it's strip, right? Strip, that's right. Okay. What is the correct syntax to output the type of variable or object in... What? What is the correct syntax to output the type of variable or object? I think it's this one. I mean, I'm a little confused as to what it's asking, but like this makes sense. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Which operator is used to calculate the remainder of the division? It's the parentheses. There we go. This is pretty simple. We were kind of hoping for something more along the lines of project, like we actually have to, like, you know, but we'll ask it. We'll be a little bit more precise with our next prompts. Okay, we'll be a little more stern on what it is we're asking. In Python, which collection is ordered? Oh, this is what. Okay, this one I'm gonna fail harder than last time. That we're getting to this right now. Look, this is what we're getting to. Literally, so like if I'm not gonna get the correct answer here. Okay, I won't. It's gonna be a guess. Ordered, changeable, and allows duplicate numbers. A list. Yeah. That's the only one we know. That's that's the only one we know. Okay. What will be the result of the following expression? Bool false. Am I going blind? Bool false. Boolean. False? It's a Boolean. It's equal to false. Do the result. Bool false. It's going to be... Well, hold on. Bool false. You have to set it a bool to equaling false. This is just saying bool.false. So, probably an error. Or none. It's not going to be none because a none would require the output to just equal none, or an in unfilled variable, and then you just printed that variable. So probably an error, because it's not going to be this. Well, obviously, it's not going to. I'm going to go with this. Oh, we have failed our first thing. A non-empty string wait, what? Oh, it's it's in parentheses. I didn't see these guys. I didn't see those. See, that was on me. I was being retarded. Look at this. Well, I still wouldn't have clicked true. I still would have not clicked true on this. Is a non-empty string evaluates to true when passed the bool function, even if the text says false. That's important. That makes sense. Boys, our testosterone-filled person, individual, God, whatever you want to name it, anything you any of those ways of describing what it is we're seeing here might suffice. It's got to study Rust. We send our Python prayers your way, my friend. Good luck to you. Good luck to you, sincerely. I hope you succeed in your endeavor. I hope you succeed. Yeah, non-empty string evaluation. True, this makes sense. It is more of a Python. No, 100%. It's more of a Python useless quirk. It's just, no, 100%. Like this isn't usable. You know what I'm saying? This is not usable, but it's there. I'm gonna stop procrastinating. Get my. Yeah, I've been thinking. I'm like, you're still here. Hey, Sir Hickman, Omniman. I hope you have a good one, bro. I hope you have a good one. The both of you, a lot of you. I guess if the bool is true, false. Bool checks if there's a string and so exactly, and it's good. W. Yeah, this is why it's never. I am never using Python. No, this is just a dumb quirk. It's like asking like C++. It's like, how do I describe it? It's like. It's like importing a library, but then just not using the library. It's just, I don't even know how to describe it. It's just a dumb quirk. Okay. How did you start writing a while loop in Python? While? Oh. Fuck. This is embarrassing. Hold on. Let's try it. Hold on. While the whittle. Jesus Christ. Oh, you guys can't see the IDE. One sec. Let me shenanigan shit around. Let's go like this. Alright. While 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 X in, let's go gigachads. Let's see what this does. Control C. Something seems wrong. Print PRINT. Hold on. I'm a little confuzzled actually. This actually got me somehow. This is a little embarrassing. We haven't touched while loops in a minute. Embarrassing. If X is equal to len Control C. Let's go like this. PRINT. Let's go with poo-poo. Poo-poo. Okay. What's wrong with this? While X and gigachads. While no, that's declaring. So that's autism. That's autism. What am I doing? Okay. While. How do I do this? Jesus. I guess it's kind of. I'm trying to make a for statement. But like whatever. Yeah. Okay. No. I'm thinking it's. No, literally, I look over to the answer. I'm thinking it's that. Yeah, you know, it's kind of like it's, you know what I mean. Oh yeah, that you don't do in. It's not an in statement. It'd be like, it's a comparing. While it's comparing. It's not while in. That doesn't. Okay. Yeah. Blunder. Small blunder. That's all that was, boys. That's all that was. Yeah, 100%. Okay, next one. Which of these is not a, dear God, which of these is not a legal variable in Python? This one, I think, because you can't start with this. Yeah, this one. What? Can't start with the number? Really? Well, let's test this out. I don't believe you. Oh, yeah. I knew that. I knew that. I was just making sure you guys were paying attention. You know what I'm saying? Damn, that's crazy. No, we did know that. We did know that. I was just being autistic. I'm gonna start with numbers. That's good to know. That is good to know. I was about to say if couldn't be used. Okay. All right, boys. We're cooking, boys. We're cooking. We are cooking. Let's go like this. Hey, if you are just showing up here, and you were about to doom scroll instead of doing whatever project you were about to do, I appreciate you stopping by. Don't doom scroll. It's bad for you in too many ways for me to describe. But I hope that if you stop by, I can only just leave you with this one little bit. Lock the fucking, homie. Lock the fucking. If you were stopping by and you were about to go into a doom scroll, just lock the fucking, homie. You have projects you want to do, okay? They require an unreasonable amount of effort, and that is not going to be assisted by your brain being fogged up with scrolling. No. So, if this is you, consider subscribing. It would mean a lot, truly. We're trying to get to an octillion subscribers. We're not there yet, but we're gonna get there. But lock the fucking, homie. Consider subscribing, and go do that project, okay? Go do that project right now. Stop watching the stream if you need to. Lock the fuck in and go do that project. If one of you guys left and locked the fuck in, that perfect. This whole stream was worth it. This whole stream was worth it. That's peak. Dude, really? After studying 10 plus hours? That's what I'm talking. That's what I'm talking about, boys. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Good shit, guys. Hey, and if you do consider subscribing, which I'd appreciate it a lot, you should 100% consider joining the Discord right here. Right there. You see that little blue text? Yeah. Only if you want to, though. Only if you have a big schlong. Okay, that's your only requirements. Big schlong. But, of course, if you clicked on this type of video, you already... It's like default. You know, we already know you have a big schlong. So. Oh. Vibey. Let's get back to the ting, yeah? So this. Oh, well, let me go back to Gemini. Okay. So, we know this now. We know that you cannot start a variable thingamajigger with that. That's good to know. Let's go like this. Okay. Just made peanut butter cookies shirt. That's bussin', brother. That's bussin'. That's what I'm talking about. Can I have it? Dude, I want that. Stay locked in. You're right. We're gonna read a little bit of chat, and then we're gonna lock the fuck in. I've been cooking up and I thought you said Amazon program, an amazing program recently. Got motivated by you, dude. That's what I'm talking about, bro. That's what I'm talking about. Stay locked in. Stay locked in. Nice. Keep going. Thank you. I appreciate it. No, maybe you're talking to homie. Hey. I hope you cook, dude. I hope you cook. You're gonna cook hard with this. Born to program, forced to do a quiz. Exactly. You understand. You understand. Python is slow. Right in assembly. Right in assembly, he says. Right in assembly, he says. Guys, no, you're right. Fuck Python. Fuck C++. We just need to go to the heart of it all. We just need to go to assembly. You're fucking right. We just need to go straight to assembly, boys. We're missing out. This man's got it all together. This man has it all together. He's got his shit together. He's running fucking assembly. He's probably doing it on paper like they did with the moon landing. You know, with the Saturn V rocket. Yeah, they did that shit on paper, by the way. They wrote assembly on paper. Yeah, that's probably the level of testosterone that this man has. Or girl, I don't really know. Either or. That's probably we can only aspire to accomplish 1% of what this man is. Okay, that's my only goal. If I can accomplish 1% of what this is, the person behind this username is, I've lived a successful life. It's home baked too. Dude, I wish I had your cereal right now. Assembly is hella powerful. You can make yeah, I don't even know what the fuck that is. Yeah, nope. Assembly is slower, right in binary. You're fucking right. No, we need to just get to the ones and zeros. Fuck all this compiler shit. We just need ones and zeros, okay? I'm sure there's 10 billion ones and zeros we need to write. We're gonna write them all, one by one. That's what we do. Okay. Exactly. Dude. Wait, why are you censoring? I'm not censoring anything. YouTube chat censors. You could type whatever the hell in this. I have not censored anything. If it's censored, it is because of YouTube. Yeah. Okay, boys. Let's lock the fucking. Fucking, boys. Okay. We know now that you cannot start a variable with a number. We know that now. Okay. How do you insert an item at a specific index in insert? Right? It's either insert or push. It's not append. It could be add. I'm going to go with insert. Yeah. Oh, what's up, my boy? I hope you're doing well. Okay. Glad to see you here. How the fuck, dude? We've been live for like 10 minutes. There's already like 1 billion people have showed up. That's kind of insane. Okay, boys, we're uno mas. What is the result of Apple What is the result of Apple in What is the result? Okay, well, the index number is 0. If you were to ask what it is, it'd be true. Like, if you were to ask if there's something there, it'd be true. It's just the dumbest question I think I've ever experienced. What is the result of Apple? Okay, so it's not false, I don't think. It's not. It could be error. It's not 1. True though. Just like the last one that we're on, somewhere over here, it was true. I can only assume it's gonna be true. I can only fucking assume. Okay, come on, let's lock that in, yeah. Let's lock that in. Of course it was. 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 Oh, dude, literally, I look at chat again and literally just spammed true. Just spam true. 1 or true. Exact. Yeah, but index. It's index 0, so it wouldn't be 1. You know, like it. I don't know, dude. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I don't know. Okay, what's done? Score accuracy 80%. That's what I'm fucking talking about, brothers. That's what I'm fucking talking about. Okay. I'm gonna be 100% fucking honest with you guys. I am literally about to piss my pants, okay? So I'm gonna take a fat fucking piss. In the meantime, you see that number? You see that number? You should get that number up. You should only if you have a big schlong. Or you're about to doom scroll, but then you found this. Instead of doom scrolling, you found this. And now I'm telling you to lock the fuck in and go do that project you were going to do. Okay? I'm going to go take a piss. The fattest piss this world's ever seen. And you're going to lock in. Thank you, my boy. I know you're going to do that now. I know that's exactly what you're going to do right now because only the most OGs, only the craziest, biggest, schlonged, smartest individuals that ever click on a video of the thumbnail you just saw. So, thank you for locking in. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate you, my boy. I appreciate you. Mwah. I'm going to take a fat piss. Get that number up. Huh? Huh? How you doing? How you doing, huh? I hope you boys doing well. No piss ASMR. I'll lock that in for you next time. Don't you even worry. I'm gonna lock that in for you next time. I'm gonna lock that in for you next time, okay? Oh, dude. Sometimes you just take a piss and it's just like, that was a good piss. That was a great piss. All right, boys. We need to see how many of you guys got this number up. Yeah. Let's go check this out. Let's check it out real quick. We're gonna go to manage videos. You guys get to see all my juicy analytics real quick. We're gonna go like this. And like this. So like. I don't know who it was. I don't know why it was. I don't know where it was, but it was. It was the fact that you guys are absolute G's, gangsters, and big schlong madongs. I appreciate you, my boys. Sincerely. That means a lot to me. That means a lot to me. Thank you. Let's get that number up right now, huh? Look at that. Look at that. That's what I call success. This is what I call success. Absolutely. Absolutely. 69, 67, 70. Oh my God. Damn. Cheers, boys. Cheers. I appreciate you, boys. I do. Thank you very much for donating your time and locking the fuck in. I appreciate it. I appreciate it a lot. Been here before 1,000. Yeah, you've been, dude. Yeah, you have. Oh, I can just move my damn face. Dude, we have some OGs in chat, dude. Playlist name. Dude, it's just like the most random thing I could find. And don't listen to this. Don't listen to me. That's wrong. That's wrong. Not a playlist. This is just a background song, dude. Or background music. space travel, beautiful natural nebula, wormhole, hypnotic journey, interstellar, healing ambience. Yeah. Yeah. Goes hard, doesn't it? Goes hard, yeah. Alright. Let's go like this. Dude, that's a fucking massive W, guys. That's a massive W. Let's go like this. Let's move this over to... Actually, we need to move it right here. Let's get chat right over here. I use AI to create... Wait, okay. Python experiences for... You did... What? Sir Christian, you use... Oh, I see what you mean. I read that later. Christian, I hope you have a good rest of your time, dude. I'm looking forward to seeing your stream. I'm gonna be when I'm at work and I'm like watching your fucking streams. It's literally it's the highlight of my night as I'm just sitting there doing my shit, and you just like playing in the background. I'm just hearing you yap, or sometimes you just dial the fuck in with your Pomodoro and there's not a single word being uttered. You just... That's what I'm talking about. Okay, boys. Let's see. Bro is broken for... Okay. Acting like any programming language has that reason why. There's no reason comment. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah. I still have the clip from him. Delete that now. You need to delete that now, my boy. You need to delete that now. Okay. We're going to ask this Klenka to redo our question. We're going to redo our question, okay? We are going to now ask it. We're going to ask this Klenka to basically make us a project that we have to create, okay? Okay, where do I do this? Review quiz, more questions. Let's do... Okay. Oh, let's turn off the ambience. Okay. Okay, Klenka. Here's what we need from you, yeah? We need for you to lock the fuck in, and I need you to make the juiciest, most bussin' Brazilian bomba clot quiz this world has ever seen. Okay? It needs to be awe-inspiring. Okay, and it's not... when I say quiz, what I mean is I need you to create a project, okay? Project that tests my Python abilities. Once again, my abilities only expand up until the tuples, not including, but up until the tuples point inside of W3 School's Python course. Do you understand what I'm saying, Klenka? Well, you better, because the world economy is depending on your answer right now, okay? Lock the fuck in. Create something it's not too time consuming. You're able to do it within, I don't know, 10 minutes, maybe 15. You know what I mean? Something that's not too complicated, but something that's you know what I mean? Something that gets the blood flowing. You know what I'm saying? Gets the blood flowing. Let me know of the best way you think about going about it, whether you're going to judge it afterwards, or maybe whether I just am going to just say that it's good. I don't really know. The goal of the experience is downloading, but then retaining information. I've already downloaded the information from W3 Schools. What I need you, the Klenka, in this scenario to do is provide me with a place to retain the information. What I mean by that is I need to use my boogly hoogly neurons, and I need to be able to use them, okay, with the downloaded information to cement them in my noggin. Okay, I appreciate you, Klenka. You got this. Don't fuck up. The world economy is relying upon your answer right now. Klenka. I think that'll do it. I think that'll do it, boys. Okay. That's what I call prompt. If I've ever seen a prompt, that's what I call prompt. Let's lock that in, huh? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yo, what have I missed in chat? You've missed nothing. Don't you worry. Is this what? Okay, maybe I wasn't too clear about my thing. Maybe I wasn't too clear. Maybe what we need to do actually is ask it to give me a project idea. Yeah. Yeah. No, that's on me, guys. That's on me. I was asking it to give me a quiz, right? But that doesn't make any sense. I need it to give me, say, explicitly not to give it a quiz. Yeah, no, see, that's exactly. This is on me, right? I was asking it for a test. A test is a quiz. You know what I mean? What we need is a project idea, okay? And then parameters, okay. Oi, clanker! No, oi. Okay, we're... Clanker! You hear me? Okay. Well, what I meant to say, Klenka, is to say Klenka, not Valencia. Okay. Here's the thing. I was not explicit in my last prompt. Okay, that's on me. I'll take the L with that. I'll take the L with that. But what I need from you is to provide me a not a quiz, but more of a project idea to test me upon the information I've learned inside of W3 schools up until the tuples section in the Python course, but not including the tuples. Okay, not including the tuples. I need you to give me boundaries and a specific target for the project to do. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, Clanka? If this is too complicated for your little machine learning thing to grasp, please let me know. And I'll be sure to short the Google stock. Okay? Please inform me promptly. Once again, project idea that's simple, accomplishable in about 15 minutes. Okay? Not too crazy, but not too simple. Something that's nice and juicy and voluptuous and bulbous and serendipitous. Do you understand what I'm saying, Clinka? Okay. I think you got this. Lock the fuck in. Give me a project that's usable. All right? Okay. That's a lot of fucking words. I don't want to read all that, but okay, we will because our literal entire world economy is depending on this answer. We'll humor this AI agent. The simple if-then behavior makes another sense. Pause. Thanks to what the fuck? Or since you learn the list, let's check if even numbers are in it and append it to a new list and print it. I see what you mean. I see what you're saying. Can we make an AI speak? Wait, you can make the AI speak. How? That would be delightful. Well, that's not going to happen. Okay. So, understood. No quiz. We are moving into the applied logic. You need to sweat a little, but we're looking to keep it within 15 minutes. Sweat spot. Okay. Wait. You can make it go to the bottom of the answer, press on the three dots, and then press list. Okay. Am I not clicking on the right three dots? Thank you, my boy. I appreciate you as always. Thank you. Let's see. Homie, then lock the fuck in. Lock the fuck in. Lock the fuck in. All right.
Understood. No more quizzes. We are moving into applied logic. You need to sweat a little, but we're keeping it within that 15-minute sweet spot. Since we are stopping exactly before tuples, we are going to exploit lists, string manipulation, and conditional logic. Forget the stock market shorts, the machine learning thing is locked in. Project, the Bumbaclot dynamic inventory system. You are building a terminal-based inventory manager for a high-end streetwear boutique. You need to handle stock, verify memberships, and format pricing without using tuples, dictionaries, or classes. The boundaries, the rules, data structure. You must use two separate lists that correspond by index, e.g., item_names, 0, belongs with item_prices, 0. Logic. Use at least one global variable for the store status, open, closed. Strings. Use fstrings for all outputs. Operations. Use at least one list method, like append, link to .pop, or insert. The specific target, the task. Create a script that performs these four specific actions. Initialization. Create a list of 3 items, e.g., hoodie, cap, sneakers, and a list of 3 prices, e.g., 80, 25, 120. The VVIP, check. Create a variable user_name. If the name is Clanka, print a welcome message in all uppercase. If not, print it in title case. Stock update. A new shipment of socks arrived. Add it to the end of the item list and add its price, 15, to the price list. The final receipt. Print a string that says store, status, item, last item, price, dollar, price after 10% discount. Why this works for your brain. Lists versus tuples. You'll feel the changeability, mutability of the lists as you add the socks. Indexing. You have to accurately target the last item without hard coding the number 3. Use, -1. Casting, math. You have to calculate a discount, which moves you from int to float. How do you want to proceed? I can sit back while you code it, or you can paste your solution here and I will ruthlessly audit your syntax to ensure the global economy remains stable. Would you like me to provide a starter code template to save you 2 minutes of typing?
I hope you know that because of that shitty asshole engulfing answer, the world economy is gonna fucking collapse. The world economy is gonna fucking collapse for how shitty that fucking response was. Holy fucking clanka. Holy clanka. I don't even know where to begin. What part of 15 fucking minutes was not clear? What part of 15 fucking minutes was not clear? Okay, well, I'm going to go to another website or anywhere else. Okay, you have demonstrated to me in clear eyes that I cannot. It's either maybe it's me, maybe it's me. I pray it's me. Okay, I pray it's me. I don't know if it is though. I don't know if it is. Well, I appreciate your assistance today. I'm gonna go slug a lunk of lead in between my eyes and deal with the repercussions later. I don't know what the fuck this response was. It's kind of clear. No. GG. It was nice living in the world that we have inhabited right now, but it's over. It's over. Trillions of dollars. Trillions upon billions upon billions upon trillions of dollars. For you to glaze almost as though I'm using ChatGPT. We all know that ChatGPT is ass. Okay? You ask it to insult you, and it's like, okay, darling. Yeah. No. This is just as bad. I don't know. I don't know if it was your tone. I don't know what it was. We can't have that. We can't fucking have that. Goodbye. Boys. We're using something else. We're using something else. We're using something else. We're gonna lock that in real quick. And we're just gonna see what his response. Look, if the world economy is currently spiraling into a free fall, it's because I tried to give you a Michelin star project when you just wanted a high octane street taco. My bad. Clanka. Did this fucking Clanka just call me a fucking Clanka? No, it didn't. No, it fucking didn't. I measured the volume autos for complex. If you're still standing by the okay. This is, it actually gave me something a little more usable down here. What is happening? What is one second. Let me what the fuck? I had to leave chat alone for 3 seconds. What the fuck's happening? Someone has been too much on Reddit. Let's see. Interesting. Interesting. We all crying. God damn it. Okay, where's that tone, dude? We just get a little, just to calm your guys' nerves. Okay, is that calming, boys? Is that a little better? Jesus Christ. Okay, one sec, boys. We gotta need to lock the fucking. Hold on. Okay, homie. Alright. I'm not gonna say any words. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not even gonna say a single word. You just do you, bro. You just do you, but okay, I knew that. We're gonna do that real quick. We're gonna lock it. Hey, if you are just joining us, we are trying at least our best to program. Obviously we need to do this. If you are here because you have felt like you were doom scrolling chronically all the fucking time, well, thank you for choosing to do something other than doom scrolling, because doom scrolling isn't the best. Not the best. I hope that if you have a project, just you lock the fuck in and go do that project, okay? I don't care if it's your guitar you haven't picked up in a month. I don't care if it's the piece of artwork that you haven't touched in 10,000 years. Go lock the fuck in and go do that. Maybe it's writing a program. Maybe it's writing maybe you have maybe you're trying to build a robot, and you're like, I'm gonna go on YouTube instead. No, you're gonna lock the fuck in. Well, first you're gonna consider the notion of subscribing, as you do. It'd be awesome if you did. It'd be really great. We're trying to get that number right there up, but I know you're gonna lock the fuck in and go to that project. So yeah, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you. Mwah. One sec. I do need to deal with something though. Let's see. What are you learning? Python. For a big bombaclot robot arm. Alright? We're trying to learn Python. Let's see. Let's go like this. Let's see where is one sec, boys. I need to deal with something. I think. I'm not too sure. Let's go like this. Stand all. Un momento, por favor. Un momento. Sorry, I'm gonna we'll just calm your guys' nerves. We're gonna get this up a little bit more. I think it's fine, my boy, my good friend. I think it's fine. You know. Where are you? I think it's fine. I think it's chill. It's okay. It's okay. I read your thing. I think it's chill. It's okay. Yeah. Some people gotta just do their thing. Some people gotta do their thing. Switch from fast to think for pro for better coding. Response breaks prompts into multiple response into trash. I see. Vibe code maxing? Absolutely not. We do not vibe. We do not vibe code in this time. We do not do that. Okay. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. Oh, what was this? Lists. Okay. You think you can consider staying? Well, I think I'm gonna consider kissing you. Mwah. Thank you. I appreciate you staying. Yeah. Okay. Let's go like this. Okay. Okay. Not ChatGPT. Jesus. This Clanka is kind of throwing me off. We just need a simple project to like kind of lock in what it is we've been learning. Okay, boys, I'm gonna use chat. It's a tried and true method. Guys, give me a simple project that's not too complicated. Not as simple as like a basic calculator. Everyone knows how to do that. Kindergartner can do that. Give me something that's something that's juicy. You know what I'm saying? Something that's juicy. Something that's like worth doing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, because Clankas don't got it. Clankas don't got it. You know what I'm saying? Clankas don't got it. I don't know why I tried to use a Clanka. You know, if I took my time with this is the first time I've tried to use a Clanka like this. If I were to take my time, the Clanka would become useful. You know what I'm saying? Maybe it's just because I'm using this one. I'm used to ChatGPT. Yeah. That's okay. Not all Clankas have to work out perfectly. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. But yeah, we're going like this. Did anyone subscribe? Maybe. Fuck! Massive W to whoever these 4 individuals. Jesus. Damn. Cooking, bro. Dude, if we get this number to 80 by the end of this stream, that'd be diabolical. That would be diabolical. Okay, let's go like this. Let's go like that. Little silly juice. Massive W. Massive W. Okay, let's look at chat and see what they've been cooking. It's the nice part. It's a nice, make a Flappy Bird game. My friend, if I had the testosterone levels to do that, I would. Unfortunately, I don't. You probably do, though. I can tell that you do. But I unfortunately do not. Reverse a list. We can do that. Refresh. You got one more. Really? Holy shit! Hey, boys. I appreciate you being here. You know, I know you clicked on this because, okay, you're one of a few people if you clicked on this video. You're one of a few people. You either are absolutely fed up with the algorithm just sucking you in, and you're a slave to scrolling constantly, and you're like, holy shit, doing something other than scrolling with my time? If this is you, my boy, I appreciate you for stopping by. I do. We sincerely appreciate you for stopping by, because our lives are kind of being stolen from us. You know what I'm saying? Like, these apps are designed to suck us in. I already clocked an hour of scrolling this morning. I woke up not too long ago. Yesterday, I probably had 5 hours of scrolling. Can you think about that? Just think about that. 5 hours. Imagine I spent 5 hours programming. So yeah, if you are here because you would like to stop programming, because you would like to stop scrolling, doom scrolling, well, I appreciate you for stopping by. And on your way out, it'd mean a lot if you consider doing what these fine individuals are doing right here. Subscribing. It means a lot. It would mean a lot. That's one of the other people. Otherwise, you're probably the person that's just schizophrenic and you like people program. You like watching people program. I'm kind of in both categories, but I appreciate you guys anyway. That's insane. That's fucking insane, dude. Massive. Wait, I wrote the wrong number. I don't know why I wrote that. I wrote the wrong number. I meant to write another number. Okay. Dude, that's insane. That's insane. My dyslexia is insane. I don't know why I wrote 8 instead of 4. Hey, I appreciate you boys though, sincerely. It means a lot for you guys being here. Okay, let's see. Ronnie diagram. What is this? See Discord. We'll look at the Discord in a sec. Yeah, I bet at some point you may become viral because you have such a weird. Exploit that. How you doing, baby? How you doing? You come chill in my place, yeah? Oh shit! That music was so loud that whole time. My bad. My bad, boys. That music was like dumb loud. That's my bad. I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing good. Okay, let's see. Let's see Discord. We're gonna check the Discord. Just a moment. I hate checking Discord. 27 notifications. Jesus Christ, people. Jesus Christ. Hey, if you were just joining us and you have a large bombaclot, and or you love programming, or you like being locked in, or you hate the fact that YouTube sucks away your life, it would mean a lot to me. It would mean a lot to all of us if you don't even have to subscribe. You don't even have to subscribe. But join that Discord. There's a lot of like-minded people in there. There's a few schizophrenics. I'm not going to say there's not. There's some mentally ill people in there. Okay, but still, you can have a great time. I appreciate it if you did subscribe, though. Thank you. That's insane. That's insane. Okay, where the hell was Discord? You know, we're gonna check the Discord afterwards. That's what we're doing. We're gonna check the Discord afterwards. We're gonna close that out. Let's go like this. Where is it? Let's see. I had wait. Oh wait, I'm missing a few things. Wait. Andrew Tate TechVert. Hold that thought. Hold that. Hold that thought. You see, my how do you even say it? Perscaprascity? I don't even know how to say it. You see, I'm just better than everyone, you know? I'm just better than everyone, yeah? Like, I'm just better than everyone, yeah. What color is your Bugatti, huh? What color is your Bugatti, huh? It's fine cigar. $10,000. $10,000. Oh, divine. Goddamn right, I'm Andrew. See, don't compare me to Andrew Tate. Compare Andrew Tate to me. Eh? You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Dude, right? Yeah. Guys, look what happened to refresh it. Okay, I can refresh that. I can refresh it. That's what I'm talking about, boys. That's what I'm talking about. I appreciate you, boys. Thank you for locking the fucking. That's insane. Okay, we do need to stay locked in. Okay, I appreciate all the chat. I need okay, just a tiny bit more chat, just the tiniest little bit, and then we're gonna continue. Stop looking for like 5 minutes, and the fuck did I come back to? Exactly. Yeah, no, you're right. You're 100% right. Gotta go to bed. Well, good night, my sir. Good sir. Good night, and I hope your school tomorrow is absolutely divine, riveting with education. Some people are trying to summon me like an. Exactly. Okay. Said that Mr. B's never came. Oh, dude, he comes most times. Wait, Clint. God damn. Let's see. Coming out of entertain. Still, yeah. He has been chosen. You're goddamn right. He has been chosen. Okay, boys. please, in chat, give me a project that's like really, really simple. I don't know what type of thing you guys can cook, but like we need just a simple idea to make. Okay, I don't care if it's a little thing on fucking checking if someone's a pedophile or not. I don't care. Okay, if it's an idea and it's fucking sick, take your time writing it. You know, like give out the parameters and such, and let's cook. You know what I mean? Like I would love to make your ideas. I would love to make it. At least try. I sent it into. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I'm doing that. We're checking Discord right now. I did not know that. I thought you were just like. I thought it was like a complaint about someone being autistic, which there was a moment there. There were some people doing some interesting things. Okay. Direct messages. Basically, why not? Okay, why not? Let's go with this. She's been, what the fuck? Yeah, okay. Let's go like this. Check out the mods channel whenever you have a chance. We're gonna do that. Sir Fracture. If you check using, I'm gonna get to your guys' comments in just a moment. Just give me un momento. Por favor. Por favor. Let's go to here. Let's go to general, maybe. Let's go like this. Un momento, por favor. Let's see. Man, you guys have been cooking in here. Jesus. Okay. Okay. Dude. Yeah, okay. Our general chat is becoming a wasteland. Jeez. One sec, boys. I appreciate you. Just give me a moment. Yeah. Hold up. We need to make sure. Okay. Yeah. No, it's not unlisted. It wouldn't be unlisted. Okay. Let's see. Go like this. Let's do like this. Un momento. Un momento. Let's see. Let's see. Bucket lit. Program with your own unique. Let's see. Build a frame house for rising goats. Release an album. Write a book. Reach. Okay, wait. First create. Okay, so make a bucket list program with your own unique bucket list. Create a things to do list and then add things you want to do in your lifetime. Now literally over the list and print everything out. That's kind of simple to do. It'd be really simple to do that. What the fuck are you guys doing in this Discord, dude? What the fuck are you guys doing in this Discord? What the fuck? Alright, maybe in projects? Where is... Maybe am I missing something? Media, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. One moment, boys. I apologize for the lack of communication. Homie, I have no idea what the fuck you're talking about. I'm gonna be honest. I have no idea what the fuck you're talking about. You said check the Discord. Discord link. Yeah. Oh, you want the Discord link? Oh no, this is something else. Yeah, dude, I got you. The Discord link's right here. Un momento. Sorry for being so goddamn late and slow and about everything in between. Let's go like this. Let's go like Let's go like this. Oh, wait, this is a Discord link. If you have a large bomba clot and you like to program and you want to lock in, there it is for you hooligans. You hooligans. Okay. You have sent it in the Discord. I did not see it. Oh no, I did see it. Yeah, I see. I'm watching. Let's see. Check if passwords and username are in the database. That's a good one. See, this is the first good one that we've gotten. That's actually check if password. Basically a password maker, kind of. Yeah, make a color picker. Interesting. Make a party menu like pizza on menu held by elite. It's not bad. It's not bad. These are kind of cooking. Like continue with this shit. Continue with this. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I mean when I say cook. This is what you call cooking. You know what I'm saying? I can make this a little bit smaller, maybe. Maybe that's okay. Let's go like that. Yeah. Okay, good choice. I started with what? Starting out. Oh, I switched. Okay. Well. Okay, boys. Let's. Okay, we have the Giga Chats list. What can we do with this? Okay. Let's see. Check if a password and username is in database. It's the best one we have so far. Let's see. Yeah, sorry guys, my brain is shutting off. I'm not doing too much yapping. I need to take a just a little quick deep breath. One sec. All right, boys. We're gonna take a little quick deep breath. I'm gonna do some breathing. It's only gonna be like 10 seconds, okay? Into the nose. Hold it. Out through the mouth. Into the nose. Hold it. Out through the mouth. Now, for those of you that didn't do it the first 2 times, yeah, I'm looking at you. Into the nose. Out through the mouth. Who the fuck is texting me on Discord? Oh, we actually might have some project ideas. Let's see. Let's see. Sorry, boys. We just need a minute. Maybe I wasn't breathing too much. It's probably why my brain was shutting off. Just like this. What are you guys doing in this Discord, dude? What are you guys doing? I can only. Oh God. Okay. My brain's shutting off. I just need to lay on the ground. I'm gonna lay on the ground a moment. My brain's shutting off. This caffeine, we suckled down a billion gajillion grams of caffeine, and now it's like we're on like that we've peaked, and now we're going to that trough. You know what I'm saying? All right, we're just laying on the ground for a moment. Oh, just a moment. Oh. One sec, boys. Un momento. Oh. Okay. Okay. Hey, boys. I don't know if you can hear me from here, but throw me your. I don't know if you already have, but throw me your project ideas in the chat. Just like tell me what you're trying to accomplish with the project. It's just something simple, just just test. You know what I'm saying? Like to test the knowledge, to run the knowledge through the ringer. You know what I'm saying? Throw it in chat real quick. Oh, sorry, boys. We just need to take a moment. No, I'm not sorry. We're taking a month. You know what I'm saying? We just gotta do what we gotta do. Water in, water out. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Oh. Okay, boys. Let's get back to it. Let's get back. We just need a small little break. Small little break. Okay. Let's go like this. How the fuck is there 14 people watching this right now? I was literally laying on the ground. How the fuck is there 14 people watching me lay upon the ground? It's insane. It's insane. Okay. Well, let's see what you guys have cooked. Let's see. I sent idea for you for what you should do in general. Okay. We're gonna check that promptly. One moment. Uno momento. Straighten this up. All right. Un momento, boys. General. I don't know what git is, my boy. You should do a bucket sorting thingy. Bucket sorting consists of you have an unorganized list. We make 9 lists. Then we want to do a for loop in the unorganized list, and if it's 1, then we put it in the list 1. If it's 2, then we put it in the list 2. List.extend. I think we already. It's a good idea, but like that's like. I feel like that. It's a good idea. It's a good idea, but I don't know if it's exactly what we're looking for. It's a good idea though. It's a good idea though. It is a good idea. I don't know if it's exactly what we're looking for. I should make like Jacob and lay down on the floor, dude. Exactly. Thank you, my boy. I appreciate you, my boy. Oh, it's like this. I appreciate you. This is peaker than what the stream should have been. I won't pin it, but I do have an idea now. Tell me, Fracture. Please inform me. Hey, sir. Good sir. Don't you even worry. Don't you even worry. It's a good idea. It's a good idea. It's just not exactly what we're looking for. You know what I'm saying? It's a good idea. Like you know what I mean? Like keep up the ideas. Keep them coming. You know what I'm saying? Check out stream clips. Put it there. Hey, Sir Fracture, I don't know if you're listening to this. What the fuck are stream clips? Make color detection script captures mouse position. Yeah, we don't know how to do that yet. That's a little too much. I would love to do that. That's a cool idea though. That's a sick idea. Unfortunately, you have to be really, really simple. You know what I'm saying? I tried. Yeah, see, it's such a good idea. Homie's gonna try it out. Exactly. Simple. You should make an auto clicker like I showed you with. That would. See. Dude, that's such a good idea, but we're not that advanced. I guess I'm asking a lot. I am asking quite a bit. It's a good idea, but it's. We don't know. I don't know how to do ask for that's like accessing information I don't know yet. Watch a video on C++. Oh, what's up, my boy? I hope you're doing swell. Let's see. Watch a video on C++. I can say I know less than I thought. So did you know keyboards have firmware and can be updated? Yes, I did know that, but that it's still C++. C++ is still AIDS to learn. But yeah, good stuff on learning the C++ though. I thought they just connected to the firmware and thus that's originally that's what I thought originally too. But then I looked at it, I'm like, yeah, it makes not that hard. Just use pay. That's difficult. You could use for that. You can read from the docs on how to use it. See, that'd take a lot of extra time, and we do not, unfortunately, possess that. You learned while you go. Yeah, but that would take a lot of time. You know what I'm saying? Oh, stream clips. We have a new stream clips in the thing. Let's see. Let's see, and in Python, I rarely use any libraries. Like mostly, I use Pygame. Dude, I remember Pygames, dude. Pygames is where it's at. Everything has firmware and an OS, even me. That's true. That is very true. You have a nervous system, and there is a select arrangement of your neurons, your brain neurons, which have data within them. Technically, not technically, they do. And yeah, you're a biological computer. You literally are. Should I do a thing? Yes, Fracture, as always. You should do a thing. I can restart my 2-year project. Don't restart it. Continue it. You should rewrite it. Bro, that call out script is not that hard. Just search it on Google how to do it. See, that's a how to. You see how that's like not testing? You see how that's not testing the knowledge? We're looking up a how-to video. You know what I'm saying? It's faulty to the core, and there are better ways of doing it. Then, you know what I'm saying? Then rewrite it, my guy. Rewrite it. Hold on, let me look at this. One sec, boys. One sec. What the hell is this? Un momento. Oh, well, that's a little loud now. Un momento. Un momento. What the fuck? Watch Jacob lay on the floor for a minute straight. It's the strangest thing I've ever seen. Okay, well, just like this. Oh my god. Where is that? Okay. Alright. I need to think. Okay. Sorry, boys. I didn't get much sleep last night, so if my ability to think it's not up to standard. Hold up, I need to maybe turn down this a little bit. It's not up to standard. So thinking takes just a little bit extra time, unfortunately. I apologize for the exceedingly boring, not too engaging content. But I appreciate those of you that are here for being here. Thank you. When will we start to learn it? You learn using a game engine? I don't know. I wish I did know. But unfortunately, I do not know. Let's see. Oh, there's actually, Jesus, there's actually a lot of stuff. That call out script. Oh, I see what you mean. Okay. My boy, well, I hope that you had a good. Sorry that I missed your. I wasn't able to say farewell, but I hope you were sleeping well, my friend. I hope you're sleeping very well. And thank you for joining us. Okay. Oh, tell me what you already know. The basics, my boy. Kind of the basics. You know what I'm saying? Kind of the basics. You know, a little bit of Python. I don't really know how to. I don't really know. He knows stuff from the W3 school sites up to Tupples. Yeah, first the Python. Yeah. W fracture. Yeah. You popped up on my feed, so popped up here to wish you luck on your journey. Thank you, broski. That means a lot. That means a lot. I hope you have a divine rest of your evening. I appreciate you stopping by. Only an OG would click on the title and thumbnail of what we, you know what I'm saying? Only an OG would click on that type of shit. But I appreciate you for stopping by, sincerely. It means a lot to me. In my opinion, you should start with God dots, cause its default language is exactly similar to Python. Yeah, you see, we're trying to learn Python, not, you know what I'm saying? We're trying to learn Python. Yeah, you need to learn till functions in W3 schools to start making basic projects. I think we did oh, actually, that's a good fucking. We need to check this out real quick. There's no way this is only what we've done. We've done a bunch of this stuff. Oh, you guys can't see it. Okay, let's see. I think that you're right. The thing is, I don't want to get down to here. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to get down to here, but then forget so much of this, you know? Okay, I have an idea. And it requires ChatGPT because I don't really know how to use Gemini quite yet. We'll figure that out eventually. So I have an idea. I'm realizing I'm retarded. Chronically. So, I think that the best thing for moving forward, and because our goal is to retain as much information, we don't want to have to relearn shit over and over and over again. Obviously, that's inevitable, but like we don't have to do it excessively. That's, you know what I mean? Because we're only here, I thought we were down fucking, you know what I mean? I thought we were down here. No, because we are only at Tupples. Jesus. I think we need to, once we're at a thing and we complete it, right? We ask ChatGPT to give us projects based on that. Simple projects up to this point, using W3 Schools up to this point, using only that information, and then to solidify what it is we've learned. With an example. Us creating the example. I think that's the best way to do it. It's the simplest, it's the easiest, and it's the most reliable. I think that's what we're going to do. I don't understand how the fuck there's 12 people here watching me. This is probably the single most brain-numbingly boring content the internet's ever seen. But if you clicked on this because you don't like doom scrolling, because you feel like it suckled your life away, I can only suggest that if you have a project, you put down your fucking phone or whatever device you're watching the stream on, and you go lock in. On your way out, it would mean a lot if you consider subscribing. It would mean a lot. A lot of you fuckers already have, and I appreciate that. So yeah, I appreciate those of you that are watching this chronically brain-numbing content. Absolutely brain-numbing. Thank you. Okay, let's go like this. Actually, we can go like that. Just like this. Okay. Where is chat, by the way? Oh, let's see. That's wild. Yeah. Saw your stream while doom scrolling. Insane. Absolutely insane. Good luck on learning. Back to scrolling. Nah. Get off that doom scrolling shit, brother. You can't do that. Note taking with obsidian. Note taking with obsidian. Oh, obsidian. Yeah, I know what obsidian. Obsidian's actually pretty nice. Make cheat sheet. It would be the size of a wall, though. You know, even if it was fine print, it'd be the size of a wall. But it's a good idea. It is a really good idea. Make. Use it to note C++ and game design. I just started learning Python. Homie, if you just started learning Python, we're kind of just starting learning Python too. I mean, yeah, sure, we're on day 30. I'm just chronically slow. I am an autistic. Okay, I'm a retard. I'm a borderline Down syndrome. So I'm a little bit slow, as some have already picked up upon. But I hope that your journeys go well, and you would have only clicked on this. You would have only clicked on this if you were currently doom scrolling. So thank you for stopping by. But if you need to go learn Python, go learn Python instead of doom scrolling. But I appreciate you being here, my guy. Thank you. I appreciate that. Okay. I think we have a plan of action. Sorry that it takes me so long to think. I'm running off of like, what, from 6, 7, 8, 9. Holy shit, that's a lot less than I thought. That's 3 hours of sleep. No wonder my brain isn't fucking on. I fell asleep at 6 o'clock and I woke up at 9. That's 3 fucking hours of sleep. No wonder my brain is off. And I've downed 3 of these. My brain is on the downturn. No fucking wonder I can't think. Dude, I thought I at least got like 5 hours of sleep last night. Dude, I fell asleep at 6 o'clock and I woke up at 9. Dear God. Okay, well, that explains that. That explains that a lot. You can strip a lot info theory, make it short, just a cheat sheet for you to read. You can do a project for muscle memory so you won't forget the syntax. Let me actually ponder about that. That's actually hold on. Hold on, I'm gonna ponder about that as I take a piss, okay? But I'm thinking about this comment right here. I'm thinking about that comment. I'm taking a piss, but I'm gonna think about that comment. That's actually, you're onto something. Hold on, I need to take a piss. I also have just come to a conclusion. Why is my brain off? One may ask, why am I so slow? 1, I'm working off of 3 hours of sleep. 2, it has been 6 hours since I've woken up and I have yet to consume a single thing except for caffeine. Like, my tism is palpable at this point. My tism is palpable. Like, it's kind of insane. Go drink another gram of caffeine. Fracture always with the best ideas. Sometimes not the most healthy. Best though. Best. Arguably the best. Yeah, so what am I having to eat? Not the most healthy thing. That healthy's not, it's not something we're really factoring into this excursion. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I'm still thinking about this. I have it highlighted. You're right. The lion does not concern himself with sleep. You're right. Well said, my friend. I was at the homepage of Wetsy. My next homework is calculator. Lock the fuck in, homie. You got it. Go make a calculator. Or is that what you mean, like making a calculator in Python? You got it, homie. Make it good. They're kind of easy, but they are. It's the more advanced ones that get fucking pissy. But that's a good thing. What exactly are we learning? Well, actually, we're gonna get to that. We need to go in order, so I don't. Yeah, I mean, it is normal if you forget. Every engineer uses Google AI a lot. Yeah, 100%. Dude, just having that one fucking chip of salsa, my brain's already turning on. I literally haven't had a fucking lick of nutrients this morning, except for I've had 1, 2. I've had 4 of these. How many milligrams is that? I'm literally shaking. 160 times 4. What's 160 times 4? We're going to use Python to figure this out. 160 times 4. We can figure this answer out pretty easily. But why would we do that when we can have Python do it, right? We're going to actually make a simple calculator right here. All right? Simple calculator. Why think for ourselves when we can write a program to do it for us? Okay. Num1 equals input enter num1 and num1. Okay, let's go like this. Num2 input enter second num, like this. Okay, there's going to be a definition, if statement, while, for. No, none of that. That's all a bunch of complicated hoo-ha. We just can do a print statement. Print. I got a new keyboard. This thing is $10. It is the nicest fucking thing in this world. It's literally silent. Dead silent. It's so nice. Print num1 times. Let's see, where's the times operator? Is it num2? I did nim. I don't know why. Let's do num. Okay. We might have to change this, but let's try it. Run. Num1. 160. How many milligrams of caffeine is in one can? Okay, 160. Oh, let's make it to where you guys can see it. 160. Let's go like this. And then how many cans? We've had 4 cans. Okay, I think this is what's wrong with this. We need to do that equals. How do we do multiplication? Is it just this? Oh, yeah, okay. Well, I feel a little dumb. Okay. Numero uno. Thing almost just fell. There you go. Okay, we can need to change that a little bit. Okay, so number 1, how many milligrams of caffeine is in a can? 160. Okay, how many cans do we have? We have 4. Oh, I'm a fucking imbecile. How dare I make such a blunder? Jesus Christ. That's embarrassing. Embarrassing, I say. That's embarrassing. That's embarrassing. Right? What's wrong? Oh. Well. Did I do int input? Maybe I got these wrong order. One sec, boys. Dear God. That was just me being autistic. That was just me being autistic. How many milligrams of caffeine are in a can? 160. How many cans do we have? 4. I'm a little embarrassed. I'm not gonna lie. That took way too fucking long. That took way too fucking long. Jesus Christ. That took way too long. You're doing it wrong way around. Yeah, that makes sense. They get used to pay turn. Used to the... Oh, I see. What is bro learning? Bro is learning Python, but I was busy being a little autistic right there. So it was probably a little difficult to understand what was happening. My tism was just being... Yeah. Yeah, I bet it was difficult to watch. Exactly, yeah. This is actually... yeah. Look at the message error. The problem isn't that it's a string and an integer. Exactly. Exactly. You doing it the wrong... Yeah, don't forget to... Wait, forget... God damn. Thank you for reminding me. Yeah, that's the way the wind blows around here. Syntax so horrifying, it causes the eyes to bleed. Mm. Yeah, no, I was just being silly. Boys, for those of you that are like, what the fuck has this guy been doing for the past 35 days? I am just exceedingly slow today. Fell asleep at 6 o'clock, woke up at 9 o'clock, okay? Proceeded to do manual labor for the next 4 hours, and now we are here, okay? We have not eaten anything all day. My brain doesn't... It's too functional whenever there's no sustenance to use, you know? Even the biggest trucks use gasoline, you know? Okay. Okay. But back on your, like, this guy's... Wait, most programmers, it's 70%. Is this true? Is that true? What was homie's thing? I don't think it was that far out. Yes, it is Python, my boy. It most certainly is. Okay. Let's see. Basically, I'm just being retarded right now. I'm just trying to refill my gas can because my brain is shutting off. It's like 4:08. Go to bed, homie. Go to bed. Right now. Not optionally, like I'm forcing you to go to bed right now. Oh, where the hell was that one comment? I'm looking for it. I don't think it's this far up. There's no way. Where the fuck did it go? Was it deleted? Basically, the comment was, make a sort of dictionary, not a dictionary, a notebook, a journal for the stuff you learn in Python. But the journal is a Python project. What do I mean by this? Maybe you could just... Yeah, okay, yeah. I'm kind of thinking. I'm thinking as I'm speaking, okay? Luckily, you are sick. Luckily, otherwise that'd be atrocious, and I tell you to go to bed right now. That's not the case. Download Visual Studio Code or aneurysm. Download Visual Studio Code. It's way easier. No. Why? You may ask why. Because our only goal is to write Python, and this is what it does. It does what we need it to do. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate the suggestion, though. I do. Thank you. But this just works. It gets the job done. Guys, I gotta replenish the gas tank. I can't think. I don't got something in my belly. I'm sure some of you guys can relate. All right, man. I see you guys next time, dude. Good luck. Good luck with your fucking school. That's gonna take place in 10 minutes. Hey, good luck, my boy. Thank you for stopping by. I seriously appreciate it. Thank you. Don't be sorry, my boy. It's all good. It's all good. Do not be sorry. This is a good suggestion. I used to use Visual Studio, but I switched to PyCharm because I like it just looks prettier. No. What IDE I using? Wait, that IDE I using? Huh? You can code with VIM. PyCharm just has everything set up. Exactly. Exactly. Said well. Dude, you have been here since the dawn of time. That's fucking insane. I mean, genuinely, it's kind of insane. You've been here since I was fucking... at the beginning of the stream, basically. I appreciate it. Thank you. Sorry, I know, guys, this is not like... I really do wish I was like actually locking in and like learning. I really need to put something in my stomach. Like my brain is not operable, and I have to go to my 9-to-5 job in like less than like in about 30 minutes, you know. So I just need to replenish, you know. You see, well said. It is coding stream or ASMR stream. It depends. Good question. It depends. It is mostly a learning stream, kind of. But sometimes it's ASMR. Sometimes. Just for you. I have problems with dictionaries. I have exam tomorrow. Am I cooked? Depends if dictionaries are in your exam. Maybe. Let's see. The whole point of SW is just manipulating processed data. Manipulating slash processing process data. So they need to know what is input and what is what is the expected output. What job you got doing? I work at a hospital. Basically, the simplest job on the planet. It is basically, you can sum it up to housekeeping. Very low cognitively demanding, which was intentional on getting the job because I like reserving my cognitive abilities for other things. So yeah, easy job. I'm already feeling so much better. This is great. I appreciate you boys for being here. Sincerely, it does mean a lot. I just I need some food. Okay. Oh. Okay. How does one go about making a Python project that records their knowledge? Let me think. Okay. Goodbye, Sir Fracture. I appreciate you being here. Sincerely. You have a good rest of your day. And I hope that the Super Bowl is, if you put money on it, is in your favor. Because I feel like you are amongst one of the only other Americans in here that know of the Super Bowl. Said well, my friend. Said very well. All right. Python Bowl. Exactly. Oh. Riveting. Absolutely riveting. Pie game. Okay, I was like, pie charm. That's sick. Pie game. Pie game's fun. Pie game is real fun. And good luck with that, my boy. I hope it's very successful. You're gonna do well. You're gonna do well. Is Super Bowl today for Super Bowl is football. It is today in a few hours. In just a few hours. I have no idea what the time it's going to be for in Africa, but it's going to be in a few hours. Yeah, it's basically a game where a bunch of people with incredible quantities of incredible quantities of testosterone. Jesus Christ, I'm hiccuping. Incredibly high levels of testosterone clash together and throw around a ball. Okay. Feeling infinitely better. Is this time correct? It is, roughly. Okay. There's like this. Okay. I'm thinking, because I'm wanting to make something that records our data. We're going to go to operators, and we're going to quickly just see if we can... No, we know what this is. We know how to do it. Okay. Next. Oh, I wonder if you guys can even see this. This is so zoomed out. Okay. Yeah, we know this. We know... Yeah, what is this one, though? Oh, exponent. Yeah, exponential. Exponential. Okay. Division in Python. Python has two division. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, we know those. Okay. Let's go back to this. Like this. Okay. Oh, we need to zoom out. Okay. Okay, boys. So here's what we're gonna do. We have a very short amount of time. Exceedingly short amount of time. Yeah, we have an exceedingly short amount of time. I'm thinking, let's learn tuples. And then starting tomorrow, our goal is to learn something. And once we learn it inside of here, we are to ask ChatGPT or Gemini or whatever the fuck, using this information to give us a very small project that we can type inside of here that'll like make us practice with what it is we've learned. That way, it's like, it's not a long project. It's not a, you know what I mean? I feel like that's a good path moving forward with Python. Because if you don't put into practice, you're going to immediately forget it. It's called tutorial hell for a reason. Hey boys, for those of you that are just joining us, we just got done with the longest procrastination session the world has ever fucking seen. We're to lock the fuck in now and we're actually going to learn some Python, tuples specifically. If you were just doom scrolling and you saw this and you're like, oh, maybe instead of doom scrolling, I'm going to watch somebody program. Well, and he asks you this, do you have a project you need to be doing right fucking now? Yeah, I'm looking at you. Do you have a project? Do you have a project you need to be doing right now? If you do, go do that right now. Stop watching the stream. Consider hitting that subscribe button on your way out, but stop watching the stream and lock the fuck in, boys, okay? Let's get this shit going. I appreciate every single one of you boys that have been here. Especially fucking... some of you boys have been here since the dawn of fucking time. I appreciate you. The lot of you, okay? It's sincerely, I appreciate you boys for being here. You guys make this journey so much more worth it, and it's so much more fun whenever you guys are able to yap and just talk about your shit. Thank you, boys. I appreciate you a lot. Thank you. My family just came home with pizza. Massive W, my boy. Massive W. That's what I'm talking about. How long have you been learning? Go down and look at the name of this stream. It should tell you. For Super Bowl. That's what I'm talking about, dude. I hope that if you put money on it, you are successful. You should really check out the CS50 Python course. I've heard of things. I've heard of this for the structured learning experience. We're going to check that out. One sec. Not right now. We are just going to go like this. And I'm going to put it right over here. I'm going to tab it inside of... Python course for structured learning experience. Let's go like this. Copy. Okay, let's go like that. There, it is right here, so that I'll have that. Thank you, my boy. I appreciate it. Python is big. Python is pink. Okay. Let's go like this. Yo, what's up? I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing swell. If you were just procrastinating by doom scrolling and you decided to click on this video, congratulations. Here's your reminder. Get back on track. Go do your project. Go do that thing that you've been saying you've been wanting to do. Go do it right now. But on your way out, consider hitting that subscribe button. I appreciate you boys for being here. And if you have the cojones, consider joining the Discord. Only if you have the cojones, though. Which, if you clicked on this video, you most certainly do. Let's learn tuples, boys. Let's lock in. Okay. Thank you, boys. Sincerely, I appreciate every single one of you guys for being here. It really is. It really is a blast. Thank you. Okay. Tuples. It makes sense. Okay. Tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Tuples is one of 4 built-in data types in Python, used to store collections of data. The other 3 are lists, sets, and dictionaries. All with different qualities and usages. This is the part that is going to be like fucky, you know? I feel like most of the time I'm just going to be using like a list. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Okay, let's go like this. Okay. Okay, tuples are used to store multiple... Oh, we just read that. We can probably go like this. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay. Let's go like this. There we go. Okay. Okay. This is looking a little bit better. Okay. So. What is this? Oh yeah. A tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. Unchangeable. This is the key word right here. Ordered. Tuple is ordered and unchangeable. Ordered and unchangeable. Okay. Tuples are written with round brackets. Ordered makes sense. Unchangeable is horse cockery. I don't believe it. I don't believe that at all. That's... am I missing something? This is a tuple? This is changeable. Literally just... this is changeable. This tuple... watch this. Control C. This tuple dots append poo. Oh, well. How do you spell append? Okay, I'm actually fucking losing my mind now. What's wrong with this? Oh, so it isn't changeable. Oh, I was thinking about a bracket. That bracket is changeable. This is... Yeah, you can't. That's good to know. Okay. I stand corrected. I am an autistic. So, tuples. Ordered and unchangeable. 100%. Brackets. This tuple equals blah, 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 print this up. Okay. Tuple items. Tuple items are ordered, unchangeable, and allow duplicate values. They allow duplicate values. All right? Allow duplicate values. Let's go at these. Okay. Allowed to be tuple. Let's see, what is this? All right, tuple items are indexed. They're indexed. The first item has an index 0. We know this. The second item has an index of 1. We know this. Ordered. When we say that tuples are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order, and that order will not change. Not changeable. Not changeable. Makes sense. Unchangeable. Exactly. All right. Tuples are unchangeable, meaning we already know this, but it's it's the next thing inside of the it's the next thing inside of the damn thing. So we're just gonna do it. You know what I mean? Ordered and unchangeable. What time is it? Okay, we don't have to be to work yet. Hey, if you were just joining us because you were just doom scrolling your fucking life away, and you're like, holy shit, I need to be doing anything other than doom scrolling. Well, you have arrived at the right place. Because here, I'm going to tell you one of two things. One, either why am I doing this wrong? Or two, I'm going to tell you, lock the fuck in, stop doom scrolling, and get back on that project. Stop watching this stream. But on your way out, consider hitting the subscribe button. That's the two things I'm going to say to you. The only two things. If you are the latter, and you have stopped here to stop and say hello because you've been doom scrolling, but you need to lock the fuck in. Yeah, I'm looking at you right now. Yeah, you. Well, consider locking the fuck in. Stop watching the stream. Lock the fuck in. Go do that project. Stop this doom scrolling. It's not good for you, okay? It is not good for you. On your way out, it would be the coolest thing if you considered dropping a sub. It really would be. And then stop by later if you are into programming, okay? I appreciate you. Thank you. I do. I really do. All right, let's continue. All right, ordered and unchangeable. Unchangeable, we already know this. Wait. Adding or removing items after... Wait. Meaning we cannot add or remove items after the tuple has been created. This is good to know. This is very good information. Allowing duplicate... Holy shit. Whenever you have a little bit of food in your stomach, dude, you can just... I feel like I can fucking read again. Holy shit. God. 3 hours of sleep is plenty if you have some food in your stomach. And enough caffeine to kill a cow. Since tuples are indexed, they can have items with the same value. Oh, so you can have an index of a bunch of things, but then you can have apple twice. Yeah, literally perfectly done right here. You can have apple twice in a row. This makes sense. This makes sense. Yes. Yes. Good to know. Good to know. Very good to know. What is this thing looking weird right now? Oh, that's why. Okay, let's go like this. What just happened? I don't know. Where's chat been this whole time? Oh. Dude, I have not been reading chat. Okay, let's see. Search AI. No, my AI program. Docu AI. Join our Discord, my friend. Join our Discord and put it in there. All right? Go right here and join that Discord. And put it in there, and we'll tell you everything you need to know. We'll tell you so much shit. We'll insult you and we'll compliment you. Everything in between. All right? That's where you go to do that. Where did the chat go again? But yeah, I was about to go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. If you are here right now and it is 4 in the fucking morning, you are by listening to these next few words, you are contractually obligated to go to sleep. If it's 4 in the morning, sleep. You are contractually obligated to abide by the following. Go to bed. Stop watching this stream, as amazing as it is, I know, and go to bed. Please, I beg of you. What time is it? Okay, you have 20 minutes to get to work. I have 20 minutes to get to my day job. Go to bed if it's too late. Go to bed, please. I beg of you. Bro, why not VS Code? Because, no. It's that simple. This just works. No, that's why. Tuples are the least used in my opinion, but it's good to know what they are. Once defined, you cannot change the value. Are you seriously learning Python? We seriously fucking are, brother. We seriously fucking are. You may be wondering, why the fuck is this autistic learning Python? Well, let me learn you something real quick. You know robots, right? You know robots. Well, here's the thing. Robots are amazing because they are robots. Like this. This right here is a robotic actuator. It can produce 135 Newton meters of torque. It's a lot of torque. It's more torque than your mom was twerking on my last night. It's a lot of torque, okay? Point is, we're learning Python to program this thing. What specifically about this thing? Well, I'm going to tell you. The driver board for it. This guy. Putting Python on here. And then we're attaching it to here like this. Like so. And then all of a sudden, bing, bop, boom. The Jerkinator 3000 is born. That is what we're making. We're making a robot arm. This is why we are learning Python. You know what I'm saying? There is no method to add an element to a tuple. This is good to know. This is good to know. I was trying to be an autistic. This is good to know. Thank you for this information. Bro, I just joined, and bro hit me with the talk. You're goddamn right. You're goddamn right. I'm glad that you joined in that exact moment. Okay? You know, lock the fuck in. If you have a project you need to do, if you need to go to bed, or you need to wake up, or you have a project, or you have a dream, and you haven't touched that dream in more than a week, lock the fuck in and go do that right now. It's not an option, okay? You're under gunpoint right now, okay? You're under gunpoint. All right. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. Okay. Joke's on you. I'm doing both. See, that's what we call a Giga Chat right there. I'm working on my project and watching your stream. Exactly. See, this is just an individual testosterone levels that are higher than the digit. There's more digits of this man's testosterone level than there are digits in the number pi. Okay. We'll do 3 watching your stream, doomscrolling, and see, that's insane. That's why he's a Giga Chat. That's why he's a Giga Chat. Why do I feel no matter what project I do, I feel like shit? Because one of a few things. One, there isn't meaning behind the project. I can make a apple peeler, but I don't give a fuck about an apple peeler. There's no meaning behind it. Make something that there's meaning behind it. Or 2, you're probably doom scrolling a lot. And no matter what happens, because your dopamine receptors are so fried from doom scrolling, from the cocktail that your brain is being subjected to, the cocktail of chemicals that are up here, there's nothing to be happy about, and you're gonna feel like shit. So, why do you feel like shit? 1, how to fix it? 1, stop scrolling and work on your project. And 2, work on a project you actually give a shit about. That should help. That should help. And if you listen to those exact words and you took them to heart, I guarantee you, I can almost promise you that the feeling shittiness is going to go down by such a large percent. I mean, if you have cancer, that's another story. I hope you don't. I hope you have good health, my boy. Seriously, I hope you have good health. But, you know what I'm saying. Bro, I'm so tired. Then go to bed. Isn't that great? You have free will. Go to bed. Programming makes me sick, but I still need to do it for bucks. Unfortunately, sometimes we gotta do that. What's up? Hi. Hello. What's up? Teaching myself agentic programming. That's fucking big brain right there. That's That's what I'm talking about. Why we see only your eye? Because time. I don't know. It's oh shit. I do have to go to my day job. Hey, if you boys are here and you are an awesome big boy bombaclat, and you you want to help a homie out in accomplishing his dreams, for me, that's getting that number up as much as humanly possible, to where I can quit my day job that I'm gonna have to go to in 15 minutes. If you consider subscribing, because I don't want to go to my day job. I really don't. I'd prefer being here learning how to program. But if you would help me out in that endeavor just a little bit, it would mean a lot to me. If you'd hit that sub button, I'd appreciate it sincerely. Thank you. Pros have spent thousands of hours learning programming. That's the only difference between you and them. Yes. Time with deliberate practice. Exactly. Said well. Time. Omg, how you know it's 4 a.m.? Let me guess, you're from India. Can you oil yourself up during stream for $100? You send me $100 and I'll oil myself up, and I'll do the dirtiest things, dude. You don't even understand. Okay, I'll do it for $20. $100? Oh my god, don't even get me started. Okay. Yo, I'm back. Welcome back, my boy. I hope you had a swell. I hope both of you had a swell time. W reply to the haters. You're goddamn right. Let's see. I made it, but I didn't fucking know how I made the calculator except the user input to the numbers instead of dude, fucking hey, you know what you should do, my guy? Join our Discord. Or anyone else that's welcome to. Join our Discord right here. Oh, you can't fucking see it. Join our Discord right here. And show us the calculator that you made. Please. Okay. Dude, that's sick though. I'm glad that you made a calculator. That's one of the first things that we did too, is make a calculator. We don't need doomscrolling. We just need Ooga Booga. Yes. Thanks for the advice, brother. No, thank you for stopping by. Sincerely, it is people that are currently in the depths of feeling like shit. Like, think about it. The world's burning all around us. Our brains are being dumped full of chemicals that we're constantly scrolling so much that the cocktail of chemicals that's released inside of our brain, dopamine, serotonin, not oxycodone, Jesus. Dopamine, serotonin, what is it? There's so many chemicals in your brain that you just feel like shit afterwards. You just feel like shit. So if my thumbnail and title get you to come here for just a moment so I can tell you to stop just for even a brief second, it's worth it. So I hope that you had I hope that it was helpful, and thank you for stopping by, my boy. Sincerely, I appreciate it. Vibe coding is fun. Shame this man. Everyone, we need to shame this person right here. Shame, okay? 100% shame. Do not hold back. Shame. I used to vibe code as well, but then I learned that I was lazy. Yeah, we do not do vibe coding around here, unless if you're an intellect. If you are a veteran and you have been programming for 10 plus years, then you have the rite of passage. I'm programming in Java right now. I miss Python, dude. Christian Codes, where is he? Christian Codes is also doing Python. Is he live right now? No, he's not. Christian Codes is also doing Python. Sorry, not Python, JavaScript, and he's locked the fuck in. He's been cooking. He's been doing this for 88 days now. Sick. Sorry, boys. I know I'm procrastinating actually working, but yeah. You should think about projects you would enjoy doing on going forward with it. I have found one. If programming ever feels like oh, you're talking to that one dude. Yes. Good. Yeah. Programming ever feels good advice. Very good advice. Would you do it for free? The merchandise costs money always, my friend. The merchandise always costs a little bit of cheddar. Just a little bit of cheddar, you know what I'm saying? Bro, should I do Python dev in LLM agents? Potentially, if you're good at it. If you're good at it, then yeah. JavaScript when? I'm not doing JavaScript. Hell no. Hell no. It is a... Oh, you're just responding to bro. Yeah, okay. Wake up, people. You're goddamn right. Wake up. You just feel like shit afterwards. I do because it's just hard to much magica. I hope I'm not about to search up porn. What is this? Oh, McDonald's. Oh, Jesus Christ, I'm dyslexic as fuck. Jesus Christ. Too much McDonald's. Yeah, McDonald's is not going to be the best. McDonald's is not going to be the best. Shame on you. Exactly. I want to go back to the night era and fight some big dude. My boy, you can do that right now. Just lock the fuck in and you can do it. Lock the fuck in. With the power of it, I swear to God. The Wix ad. Does anyone know what I'm talking about? The Wix ad. You can create a website with the power of AI. I want to put a bullet in my skull every time I hear it. Literally came in and have my exact state responded back to me. Wait. Literally came in and have my exact state repeated back to me. I don't know what this is. Wow, I misspelled that bad. Okay, good. Okay, I thought I was having a fucking aneurysm. No, this is big. Exactly, yeah. Exactly. Okay. Whew, okay. Why can't I paste the link? You can't paste links in here. It's not me. This is just how YouTube works. YouTube will not allow you to paste links. Only I can. Hey, by the way, speaking of pasting links, let's go like this. If you have a dying desire to lock the fuck in and to stop wasting your time, and you would like a community that will hold you accountable, join this Discord. Join that Discord right there. It would mean a lot to me. Yeah. Don't worry. I literally have that right here. It's right here. Literally right there. Am I Somali? I'm American, unfortunately. Yeah, brother. Thanks, of course. Okay, boys. For everyone that is here. Yeah, it's a Harvard. Yeah, I know exactly what you're talking about. Okay, for everyone that is here right now, I know that the last bit was just yapping. Here's the thing, boys. If you're here, you probably clicked on this because you have been chronically doom scrolling. You have been scrolling, and afterwards you feel like absolute shit. Well, I guess what I'm gonna say is, I look like Elon Musk. Homie, no. Elon Musk looks like me. It's a little different. Elon Musk looks like me. But okay, here's what I gotta say. We on this channel are trying our absolute best to improve ourselves. We're trying to lock the fuck in as much as we possibly can. And if you are the type of person that really wants to do that, if you were to subscribe, then we're to pop up on your For You page a lot more often. And hopefully one day you're just going to be like, I'm fed up with this fucking doom scrolling, and you'll lock in with us and you'll start whatever project that you've been holding off on. Yeah, I'm looking at you. That project that you've been holding off on. Don't think I'm talking about anyone else. I'm talking to you right now. Yes, that project. You're the thing you've been wanting to do. But instead, you're scrolling. I'm not blaming you. It's a company. All these companies, they're designed to get you stuck scrolling, and then you have a cocktail of chemicals in your brain. You want to put a bullet in your skull because you don't want to do anything afterwards. Then all of a sudden, your dreams are like, oh, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Oh, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Oh, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. It's time for us to lock the fuck in, boys. It is time for us to lock the fuck in. And if you want to lock in as well, and you are kind of fed up with this doom scrolling, consider hitting that subscribe button and join the Discord, right? Wherever. I sent the link in the thing. You'll find it. We gotta lock in, boys. Sincerely, it's one of those things that's like, no one's gonna come at, like, the world's burning around us. We have to be the people that hold it together, so to speak. We gotta at least be able to hold ourselves together. And if we allow doom scrolling to consume us, then that won't be us. We won't be able to achieve our dreams, whatever the fuck they may be. So, if you're here and you aren't subscribed, consider the notion of subscribing. You aren't at gunpoint or anything, but it would mean a lot to me, because I'm trying to get that number right there up as much as possible. Let's lock the fuck in, boys. Let's lock the fuck in. I appreciate every single one of you. I do have to go to my day job. Unfortunately, quite unfortunately, I do have to go to my day job. Tomorrow's stream is going to be wildly more structured. It's going to be wildly more structured. I appreciate you boys for being here. I'm sorry that it was all over the place, and there was a point where I was laying on the fucking ground for 20 minutes, it felt like. That won't be happening in the future. We'll be thinking ahead of time and eating food. Once again, paste. Join that Discord if you want to lock the fuck in as well. I appreciate you boys. I do have got to go, but we have one thing left to do. We have one thing. Oh no, not that. We have one thing left to do. We have one thing left to do, boys. That is, of course. I hope you boys had a good stream. If it is time for you to go to bed, go to bed. If it's time for you to lock in, lock the fuck in. Thank you for joining, and of course, let's party. Guardando attentamente I monumenti, la classica straniera con un'aria strana che gira stanca tutta la città. A un certo punto della passeggiata mi chiama da una parte un ragazzino, sembrava a prima vista tanto per benino, si offre a far da guida per la città. Pedro, 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 praticamente il meglio di Santa Fe. Pedro, 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 fidati di me. Pedro, 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 praticamente il meglio di Santa Fe. Pedro, 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 fidati di me. Altro che ragazzino che per benino sapeva montare. And remember, boys. Oh my god. This poor camera. Okay, and remember, boys. Above all else, you know, life gets in the way and you forget to look outside. You forget to look at the trees. You forget to tell your mother you love her. Go tell your mother you love her, okay? She birthed you, okay? She birthed you. Go tell your mother you love her. Go give her a big hug, okay? If not, if you don't feel like it, do it for me, all right? I love you, boys. Remember, there's one thing you always got to keep in mind. And that's to stay focused. I love you, boys. I hope you have a good one. I'm going to go to my job that I'm currently late to. Okay? I love you. But, lock in. What can I say? Lock in. Si offre a far da guida per la città. Pedro, Pedro.